Alright, so I tried launching Black Myth Wukong and suddenly I get this error saying sorry, something went wrong, and I'm like, bro, what, this was literally working fine before. If this is happening to you, don't worry, you're not the only one. This is actually a pretty common issue, and most of the time it happens because of corrupted cache files or Steam bugging out after an update. So let me show you what worked for me, and this is actually super simple. First, just click OK on that error and close it. Don't keep spamming, retry, because it's not gonna fix anything. Now open Steam and go to settings. Once you're inside settings, go to the downloads section, and here you'll find something called shader pre-caching. If it's turned on, just go ahead and turn it off. This thing is supposed to help with performance, but sometimes it just creates issues, especially after updates. Now right below that you see clear download cache. Just click on that and hit confirm. Steam is gonna restart after this, so make sure your game is completely closed before doing it. Now after Steam shuts down and you log back into your Steam account, you might notice there's a small update for the game. Just let it update properly, and once that update is done, just launch the game again, and now it should work fine without showing that error. For me, it literally fixed the issue instantly, like no error, nothing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Super easy fix. And just in case it still doesn't work for you, you can also try verifying your game files or updating your graphics driver, because sometimes that can also cause problems. But yeah, try this first because this is the fastest method and it worked for me.